How about an Italian import here at Unique Specialty and Classics? And this one has the look, no doubt about that. 2016 Maserati GranTurismo Sport Convertible. Original California car delivered at Newport Beach, California when new. And now 16,608 miles is all. So actual mile car, 16,608. Nero is the color of this. It's kind of like a dark charcoal metallic or black metallic. Absolutely gorgeous. 4.7 liter V8 dual overhead cam, 32 valve engine underneath the hood. That produces 454 horsepower, 384 pound-feet of torque, 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, paddle shifters. This car has a top speed of 185 miles an hour, approximately. I did not find that out in person. 0 to 60 time, approximately 5 seconds. Not only does it look good, it is quick. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on Pirelli P0 radials, 20-inch, a flat black wheel, slotted. Yeah, it looks like drilled rotors and slotted rotors up front. It is 4-wheel disc brakes, analog brakes. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You can tell this is a well taken care of babied car. 2+2 seating in the rear, bucket seats up front. Best of all, rear seats in this car, you can actually sit in them, be comfortable, and ride in this car. So rear seating is usable, no doubt about that. Slotted and drilled rotors in the rear also. See those rims look good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Did want to point out that one little imperfection I noticed on that rear deck lid. So power convertible top, of course. I'm going to show you how that functions here in a bit. We'll show you going up and show it going down. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it drives down the road. Virtual ride, if you will. Has a great Italian exhaust note. Bluetooth capable stereo with 11 speaker Bose system. CD player, satellite radio, of course, USB and auxiliary ports. And that's just to name just a few things in this car. Over $150,000 brand new. Check out the price and what you can get into one of these for now. This thing is priced to sell. It's a lot of bang for the buck. There is no doubt about that. Double wishbone suspension, front and rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Granted, it is a dark color, so it may show an imperfection here or there, like I pointed out. But overall, this car looks as good in person as it does in the videos and the pictures. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics or uniqueclassiccars.com as far as website goes. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power seats, both sides, memory seating over here in the driver's side. I mean, there's too much to list. It's a modern, more modern, I should say, Maserati. So it is going to have a lot of modern features. Just so you know, this is kind of the nap of the seat, and that will change depending on how I rub my hand along it and how that suede kind of lays. Looks a little bit darker in person than it does in the video and possibly the pictures. You can see all the steering wheel controls, tap shift, up and down. I think we should start it up so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too. Not as much as you can see. There's your exact miles. So 16,606 before I fire this up. Of course, navigation screen. Electronic climate control. Of course, the automatic transmission. This will slide closed. This is where the switch is for the convertible top. There's your Italian exhaust note. Let's take a look at the dash. Just the brake light and seatbelt light on, so I'm not in gear. And again, dash looks good. This does have the stock exhaust, catalytic converters, in case you're in a state that you need to know that. Throaty exhaust note coming out of that 4.7 liter. And again, 454 horsepower. Under throttle on the road, this car sounds amazing. Like I said, very nice exhaust note. All right, let me pause this 1 second. Probably gonna be the easiest for me to do this two-handed. I wanna get this hood popped, show you now it's nice and clean, the tidy. The engine bay is, we'll check that out. I'm gonna show you the top functioning, check out the condition of that. And like I said, stick around to the very end. We'll take this car for a drive. All right, underside of the hood. Does not appear this has been driven in climate weather. That does not surprise me, especially starting out as a California car. There it is, what you can see. Purrs like a kid. 4.6 liter V8 dual overhead cam, 32 valve. Let's go ahead and show you the top going up so you can check out the condition of that. We'll wrap up this walk around video. And the convertible top up. So power top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side glass so you can see how that fits also. So black fabric top. What you'd expect on a car with this kind of miles on it. No rips, tears, holes. Doesn't really show much wear whatsoever. Glass rear window. Electric rear to fog. Around to the passenger side, side glass also up. No rips, tears, or holes over here either. Like I said, not much wear at all. Best of all, this car still looks stunning with the top up. I will show you the function of it going back down, and if you stick around a little bit after that, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride in a Maserati, if it will. So 2016 Maserati GranTurismo Sport Convertible, a little over 16,600 miles on it. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2016 Maserati GranTurismo C Sport. It sounds and feels like it is the loaded up model. This is an automatic, so it's easy for anybody to drive. When you think Maserati, you think Ferrari, right? And it accelerates very well. But it's easy to drive. We got an automatic. You just put the throttle down like a normal car. You can paddle shift. If you really want to hear that and quick change the gears, maybe you want to pass somebody at an amazing tune coming out your exhaust, this is the car to do it with. They have great exhaust notes. The fuel gauge is working over a half of a tank, and the temperature gauge showing about 180. Our tach and speedometer are working as they should. This car with less than 20,000 miles on it. Looking great in a metallic black. Also being a convertible. Can you believe it? The best of all worlds. And still hardly, if any, to no wind noise on this car. I'd say none. On this cool Minnesota day, there's still no wind noise. Stereo is working as it should.
Gift to Treva, and she.
Nice sound from that stereo. So comfortable. The seats, a mixture of fabrics and power adjustable for your comfort. This car is very sporty, very comfortable, and very refined. Take a look at all the pictures of this Maserati GranTurismo at uniqueclassiccars.com.